What's up guys, it's Snail again from HellGate FPV. Today I am here with a quick update video about the HellGate Buzzer. This one that you can see was the final pre-production prototype, the working one that I showed you in the last overview video. And today I would like to show you this little one. That's the final version that will be shipping to every one of you that have pre-ordered. And just this video is a notice that the pre-order period is coming to an end on Thursday, so to whoever of you that hasn't ordered the buzzer, you still have time this week. So the only difference is that we used the black PCB, so it looks nicer, and we used a different kind of the buzzer unit itself. This way we managed to make the PCB smaller and also the whole unit lighter. So today I got a better scale. So the previous one that I showed you last time was 2.3 grams, and this final version that will be shipped is only 2 grams. So I think that there is nothing more to say, just thank you to all of you that have pre-ordered and put trust in our product. We will be shipping late March and early April to all of you that have pre-ordered from our side. Also, we'll be shipping to all our retailers. You can find the list of our retailers on the site linked in the description of this video. That's all from me for today. Thank you for your patience. Fly safe. Bye.